Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Cash App account using your email address. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and when you open it up, you will directly be asked to log in. Now, right from the login page, if you don't have an account as well, you can use the same page to sign up. Just tap on the Use Email button at the bottom left corner, and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you wish to use to sign up for your account, and then tap on the Next button. Once you tap on Next, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has just been sent to the email address you provided. So just check your inbox and you will find the verification code that you will need to enter within this box. Just enter this code from your inbox and then tap on the Next button, and you will be allowed to enter your username and also enter your card details in order to link your bank account to Cash App. Just follow through with the process, and then your Cash App account will be created right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your new Cash App account using your email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.